want a perfume. I've been using a lot of black opium, but I want to try something for my stomach. Oh, where's Jackie? Oh, Jesus. Where's Jackie Ina's? I want to try hers. Y'all, this is my favorite. This one I use so much. All of these I use. All of these, except for this one. I haven't tried that one yet. Where's Jackie Ina? Jackie. I know it's in here. I don't want no perfume. I want makeup. I want to try this brand. I see a lot of people talking about it. So, you got the... This is from We the People. It smells a little good.
It does?
Okay. Alright guys, I've been trying to find alternatives to drinking liquor, but I've been trying to like just enjoy mocktails that have the least amount of calories, and I find that when they come in a can, they don't taste as great. Mocktails in restaurants are really good, but let me tell you this, the calories on them and on them things be a lot, and obviously we can't tell, but they be topping it off with like Sprite or like club soda and all this like sugary types of like syrup. So anyways, we went to this store today in Buckhead. We found this cute little like store, all these cute things from all around the world, food, trinkets, books, clothing, and then we found these versions of a mocktail, but it has adaptogen in it, and I think that's like a mushroom that kind of like makes you feel a little bit like loopy without the effects of liquor. So I don't know, we're gonna try it on camera. I'm gonna film it for TikTok and I'm gonna put it on here, so when you do watch this next clip, it's gonna be like vertical. We got these brands: Citrus Zest, a summer fruit, which is earthy and bitter. Why did she get this one? That doesn't sound good. And then the ones that I got is another Citrus Zest, and then I also got a vanilla oak and forest berries. So
Hi, my name's Deja. It's so nice to meet you.
they're called the soy.
It says smells like lemongrass. It smells good though.
6:38 p.m. Let's see if you feel anything.
I don't know if I like the after.
I think it's a little bit too lemony, zesty.
Huh.
It tastes like I'm drinking
Essential oil?
That's what it tastes like.
It's like different taste every time you sip it. Oh my gosh, you know the lemon head? That's what the aftertaste
Deja,
tastes
no,
like.
it do not taste like no lemon head.
Drink it again and taste the roof of your mouth. I'm telling you.
Good.
But it's good.
Oh my god, is it working? Now we wait. We see what we feel. I feel something, I'm telling you.
The wind feel different.
No,
it's probably the L-theanine.
that is not how you say it. So we also got 2 more flavors.
What does it smell like?
Like vinegar. It smells like apple cider vinegar.
This reminds me of Trader Joe's has this like German beer, but
This
it's
is
like
nasty.
in a champagne. I kind of like this.
No, this one's not good at all.
Yeah, I could fuck with this.
Well, now we're gonna try the champagne one.
I wish we could clear our palate. That one smells good. I wish we got the pink one. There was a pink one, but we didn't see it until we walked out.
Okay, here. That one is 60 calories.
Other ones didn't have that. If you're pregnant or nursing. This one got some flavors to it. So when you smell it, it smells very syrupy and honey.
It's nasty and like an old cabinet.
But then when you sip it, yeah, a little cabinety.
Right now, I do feel a little bit something. I feel something.
I do feel tart grapefruit. It's the grapefruit.
I'm gonna just finish this because I want to feel more.
Golden earth.
I'm too full from all this. I'm gonna burp and throw up everywhere. In conclusion, I would get this one, this flavor again. This one, I do feel something. It is 6:48. It's been 10 minutes, and I do feel a lot more relaxed. The good thing is, all of these cans are 50 calories, 70 calories, and 60 calories.
Oh, 60.
60 calories. So I think this was the best one. You couldn't pay me to drink these last 2.
I like this one because it does what it needs to do.
Yeah, so if you don't mind a nasty taste, I would probably put some sugar in this.
Okay.
I would probably put some like a syrup in it or something, or some honey. We should go back there.
We should. This time we close. I mean, Whole Foods has it.
We are in Whole Foods. Came to Whole Foods to get another brand. I can't tell if you're high or if you're just lost.
Are you asking me for something?
It was a fail. They didn't have any of that stuff in This Whole Foods never has shit, I feel like. Look what Instacart delivered. Okay, so we got some more.
I love Kin. I love the purple one, but I don't think they have the purple.
And then we tried Shirley Sparkling Rosé. It's a
No
fluke.
liquor.
No, you wanted to have ABV. Shirley wasn't good. This one, the Kin, that one I would keep a stash of that in my
Starburst.
house. Yeah, that one's really good. If Starbucks was watered down.
Yeah, but it's a lot of bubbles in my
I made it to my friend's studio, Kinfolk Pilates. It is a new Pilates studio, black owned, in Atlanta. They actually want to get started on like some branding for my brand. I am getting my Pilates certification. So I only have 2 classes left out of the 8 that I'm required to take. And outside of those 8 classes, you are required to take so many hours. Observation hours, teaching hours, and then you have actual hours of me taking classes. You know, my goal is to really try to open up a Pilates studio in the future. And I'm basically doing it because there's not enough of us beautiful black people that are basically in this industry, and it drives me nuts and I hate it. So I just feel like I love Pilates, and it has so much benefits that I really just want to bring awareness to it in our communities. That was some of the inspiration for opening up my own studio or just becoming certified in Pilates. I am in the mat and reformer course, and the way that works is you take 3 mat classes, 3 reformer classes. I'm teaching my first class to my family tomorrow. My plan for today is I want to take my photos first and then get content. Anyways, let me get dressed. We have one outfit. I'm gonna put on the green outfit from Beyond Yoga. My makeup real quick. I got all these flyaways right here. I had just bought a bunch of things from Sephora yesterday. I'm gonna do the skincare after, like today, because I really want to try everything. I'm so geeked, but I was like, I want to try it on camera. However, this foundation that I just bought from Ilia, I want to try it. It did look like it matched my skin really well. Oh, this is so cute. It has like the initial lettering on it. That's so cute. Let me get a picture of that for the gram. So yeah, I want to try and see how it looks. Oh wait, you know what? Let's prime first. So I usually use this as a primer. This is so cooling on your face, and it has SPF in it. Love putting this on. Oh crap, it just melted. No, it's gonna act like that never happened. Put that away. Scooped it back in. Listen, this is some good product. I'm not wasting this. We keeping this. That has never happened before, by the way. So this is, and we're just doing a light beat because I really want to look like I don't have makeup on, but I'm a little bit like rosy, but like not too much. You know, I want to look alive in these photos. Hopefully this foundation is my skin color. Oh, okay, it seems to be good. When I'm trying to like get a simple look, I just use the stick foundation because it doesn't look too cakey or too like makeup-y. This is literally like the perfect foundation match. So this is in the shade 30W. And then I'm gonna just use this brush from Real Techniques. This brush and foundation, perfect. I'm just gonna blend that out. Yeah, you know, I love doing what I do, but I'm just ready for a bit of a change, you know? Like, I feel like I have so much free time on my hands, and I really want to make use of that time. I'm always adding to my resume, you know? I think it's so important for a person to be skilled in many things, and I'm a Libra, so I don't like to do the same thing over and over and over. Like, I'm very indecisive, but with a reason. Like, I will try a million things until something sticks, and once those things stick, those are like my forever things, right? Like pole dancing, did that a couple years ago. I love it. I will always do it. I just haven't had time to really like, you know, get into it as much as I would want to. This might be a little too dark for me actually, now that I'm looking at it. Yikes. It's a little bit orangey, but I love the finish of it. Like it looks really good. But it looks a little bit too orangey. So I didn't bring any concealer, so I don't know how I'm gonna balance this out. I did bring this from Fenty, and it's a little bit light. It's like the Invisimatte, and I love this because it works as a setting powder without it being an actual setting powder. Actually, it's a something. Okay, we're just gonna put that a lot here underneath the eyes to try to brighten the eyes. I really love the idea of just always maximizing my resume because I never know, like, I feel like for me, every 5 years, I get bored. It could be something that I loved, and while I might love it, I just need a break after the 5th year to remember why I love it again and then come back to it. And I feel like that's kind of like what it is for social media. Like, I love social media, and I want to take it with me on my journey of my Pilates journey, but I just think I need a little something else to balance things out, because I have been doing this non-stop. And when you're doing social media, it's 24 hours, okay? Like a 9 to 5 is a 9 to 5. Social media is 9 to 9. 9 a.m. back around to 9 a.m. Imagine doing that, your 9 to 9 for 6 years, going on 7. You need to switch it up a bit. So I think that's the phase that I'm in right now. I'm just trying to like ride this out. I put this on my eyebrows because my eyebrows do get shiny. It's weird. I am gonna use this blush from Newsticks. Is top tier. The lighting is changing. Yikes! And you just want to put a little bit. Don't even OD with this. You will regret it. So just put a little bit. And then I use my fingers first, and then I work it into my skin. Stay in this area. And then once you feel like you've kind of gotten it to where you like it, you can put a little bit on your nose. I don't really OD with that. And then the brush comes handy, and that's gonna be your bestie. But yeah, I want something new, something exciting. I have taken a major liking to Pilates, and I just feel like I know this is my next step. I know this is my next journey. I'm using my phone as a mirror right now. My blush, for my bronzer, because you need bronzer to finish off the look. Juvia's Place. You can see I use this a lot. It looks nasty. But I'm gonna take the lighter color. Just put that in my, like where your cheekbone, jawbone goes. Another thing is I am trying to get closer to God, and I really think it's something that you have to want to do on your own timing. And I grew up in church. I just, as I got older, I got a little distracted. And I feel like I'm at a point now where I am ready to create that relationship, a stronger relationship with God. And so I'm also going through that journey as well. I'm gonna do a little bit darker just so I can have like a first time ever. I actually ordered off of TikTok Shop. I was on TikTok and I seen this video of this girl talking about this book and how she's able, a book about the Bible. And I instantly just bought it. Like, it was explaining like the stories and of people in the Bible that I just feel like I don't remember. Yes, this looks good. Yeah, this looks good. This looks real good. But this is the book that I bought from the TikTok Shop. Can you see it? And I'm so excited to really just read it. And it tells you about like how to reflect. I like that book. I'm excited to open it up. I just got it today. I'm excited to see what else is in the book. I love this Ilia foundation though. It feels so light. I always do that little test, like if it feels too like sticky on my face, I'm just like, yeah, no, I don't want it. My eyebrows are microbladed and I do have nano strokes, but I do like to darken it sometimes because I feel like I did put a little bit of foundation. Yeah, I love this. Highly recommend, because now I'm done. We can have fun and take pictures. Okay, look, I got this lip gloss. This is from Maybelline. No, this is from CoverGirl. From CoverGirl. And when I tell you, this is like them lip glosses from back in the day from the beauty supply store? Yeah, this is like that, but better. And it feels so good on your lips. This bit. It feels so good on your lips, and it actually stays for a long time. So this is like CoverGirl, you did your thing with this one. Okay, and then my favorite mascara to finish the look, Milani. This is a tube mascara, and it makes your lashes just look so much fuller, better, longer. And the takeoff, you just use water and wipe it off. All right, guys, we're done. All right, so this is the outfit that we got from Beyond Yoga. Let me show you guys it. days because by the time I edit this vlog, it's gonna be all over the place. Today, I am teaching my sister and my cousin Pilates. So basically with me doing Pilates, I have to have a lot of teaching hours. And so I have my family coming to volunteer. I have friends coming to volunteer, but I'm so nervous. I wrote down my entire lesson plan yesterday. I tweaked it. Now, everyone thinks the hardest part about Pilates is actually doing the moves. No, the hardest part about Pilates is actually talking and telling the person how to do the moves. Like, that is literally a whole lot of work. The goal is I should be able to explain to you how to do stuff as if your eyes were closed. Look who showed up at 11:09.
Well, the traffic. If you
That's
know,
why you leave. I have
10,
the location.
11.
I can see when they leave. Inhaling as we reach our hands, getting long. Alright guys, so that is it for this week's vlog. Well, technically last week, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I tried to give you guys some longer vlogs. I will be getting more into it, but I know you guys always be saying like, yo, your vlogs are too short. So today I decided to make it longer. Anyways, I'll see you guys in next week's vlog, and thanks for watching. Bye.